A for apple. B for banana. C for clock. D for doll. E for eagle. F for fox. G for grass. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jar. K for kite. L for leaf. M for mango. N for nest. O for ocean. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rope. S for sunflower. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.